Well, ojmerge fans, ojmerge there again, you know. Oh, there, you know. Today we have Jay behind the camera. But today we're gonna cook some oxtail, and we have all the ingredients. So we're gonna start the prepping process. And we are gonna put together a nice little, you know, oxtail and rice and peas with some fried plantain on the side for Jay, and you know the thing already. So we're just there. We're gonna prep some things and we're gonna do some things. And as I say again, oh, you know, and Jay there, you know, ojmerge, you know. Just keep up with it. Alright then. Alright, so first thing first, we're gonna start the rice and peas. You know. So at this point, I use a red kidney bean them. You know, boil the peas from scratch. Some people like use the peas coming out of the tin or the one that boil already. I boil the peas from scratch. Alright, got the red kidney bean. I'm gonna wash them. You never can tell. Wow. So we're gonna put the peas on for boil. And peas take a while for boil, you know, because you know this go already them tough. So we're gonna put our peas for boil. And then we're gonna just prep some seasoning in the meantime. Put that to the side real quick. I like pepper seasoning them early on, so I put them to the side because you know that go already. And then we're gonna put a little piece of green bell pepper in it as well. So some red bell pepper and some green bell pepper. Start prepping. Got the onion pan deck, regular onion. We have regular onion, we have green onion. And as I'm telling you, Jamaican not call him a green onion, we call him scallion. I don't know where that come from, but that's the name when I grow up and learn that them call green onion a scallion. Put up some green onion on it. You got the pepper pan deck. I'm on light pepper, so cut up some pepper in that nicely. Onion, green onion, bell pepper, all them things. I'm gonna slide this to the side for a little bit. And then now we'll get to our oxtail. Already tied them out, already washed them off nicely. And already washed them off with some vinegar. And we're gonna kinda just, you know, prep them for the browning process. We're gonna brown them first before we start putting them down. So a little bit of seasoning salt. Now we're gonna use a little bit of browning, because I brown them down, you know. So we're gonna use a little bit of browning just to kind of give it a little bit of color while we brown it down. It's a little bit, not too crazy. So okay, use a little tick more. Now this you have to be careful with it, because if you use too much of it, it's gonna make your meat too brown. Start the browning process. Get some oil on, and at this point, peas are boiled, oxtail brown up nicely, seasoning prep, everything inside down the road from this now. I wait for the oil to get hot. I'm gonna brown that and brown the oxtail up nicely, and then we start cook it down, cover it up nicely, make it start cook down. And there you have it. Alright, so now we're in the browning process of the oxtail. So we're gonna drop on the oxtail to go and brown. then when we say brown the oxtail, it just means pre-fry them, just a little bit. Get them in the grease, get them kind of pre-fried just a little bit before you start cooking them down. Alright, so now we have the oxtail, go on brown, right? We have red peas that go on boil, because you know, but the peas that go on boil and get soft. Kind of pre-cook like, pre-fried, you know, so you catch that color from earlier. Alright, so now the red peas boil, you know, and if you ever want to know if your peas is boiled, as I said again, our way, the Caribbean way, is to take up your peas, you know, kind of squeeze them, feel them if them soft, if them nice and soft, then you know, say peas boil and ready. So, you know, the peas ready. So now we're gonna add your rice. We're gonna wash the rice. Make sure the rice wash nice. You know, and you normally wash the rice because sometimes, you know, insect can dip on the rice. You never know what could be at that rice. You add your rice to the peas. So now, adding rice. I stir around that a little bit. Mix up rice and peas together. Now we're going to use some coconut milk. You can grate your coconut if you choose to. Or you can just use some, you know, canned coconut milk. Some coconut milk in the rice. Now add a little piece of green onion. When I was a kid, I always see when my aunt or my grandmother or mama do this thing, they normally just, you know, beat the green onion a little bit and then like this, you just drop it in your rice. They get a little bit of salt, tap it up with a little bit of salt. Not too much, but you want to make sure so well then you taste the rice, taste the salt in the rice. Some people put a little piece of pepper in there, some people put a little piece of onion inside of the rice, whatever it is, you know, just to get that flavor. So today, I'm just using green onions, you know. Oxtail, nice and tender. We'll add some seasoning to this in a minute. Also go start prep this plantain, so we're gonna add some more oil to this pan. Just me and Jay alone, so we don't need to do too much. Slice it nice and easy. Then we're going to peel some Irish. These going inside the oxtail. Top it up with a little seasoning salt. As for me, I don't really like use regular salt, so I'm gonna just use seasoning salt. Garlic. Ain't got no fresh garlic, so I use a little bit of garlic salt. And because we have so much ground seasoning there already, you really don't need only about powder seasoning. You can just put your little garlic salt, a little bit of seasoning salt, and you roll it. You know, you can let your gravy at this color if you want it dark, just a little bit more. Go back for your browning again, same one that you used to brown the meat. You can just tap it a little. You know, for me, I like my gravy a little darker look, so we'll just touch a little bit more browning in there to get it to the color that I want it. Plantains, refried. Super easy to fry. Just peel them, fry them. Ain't gotta put anything on them, they're already sweet. So these are ready. Oxtail, cooking down nicely. Bubbling down with a nice gravy. Rich and tasty. Earlier we did the rice and peas, so rice and peas ready, shelly to go. Alright, so now just turn off the oxtail. It's ready to go. Nice gravy, nice and thick. Alright, so take it over to the plate. Already did the plantain, rice and peas on point. Now, gonna lay it out. Alright, let's see again. Final finishing touch. Oxtail, fried plantain, rice and peas. With a nice little touch of salad, you know. And some pink lemonade on the side, as I say again. So, this is another ojmerge vlog. How to do the oxtail, how to cook oxtail. Rice and peas, some fried plantain, and they will make a nice little salad on the side. Serve up with some pink lemonade. And as I say again, you know, O&J, you know, ojmerge. Out again with another vlog. Oxtail, rice and peas. There you have it. Yo. Boom. You me lover, you me want to be my only chick. Girl, give me your finger, me have to put a ring on it. Night nurse, me addicted to your nightly trick. Never get a loving like this, like this.